what are the steps if you come in as a visitor that you need to take to attend a school in the US?
Same procedure, which we already discussed twice during the previous questions. For this specific scenario, though, this person is a B2 visa holder. I would add on to advise you to wait 90 days after entry to file your change of status to avoid USS challenge your intent. When we say intent, when you apply for B1, B2 visa, you're pretty much telling the consular that you're here for travel or for business. For B2, you're here for travel, right? You come in and you tell CBP at the airport, I'm here for sightseeing. Then later on, you genuine change your mind, you want to study, that's okay. So we have this 90-day grace period rule that it's better to wait for 90 days to file your application to establish your initial intent when you enter the States is sightseeing, is B2, is not F1. If you
Yeah,
want to go to school, you could have applied F1 visa, but you didn't.
yeah.
Now you are telling us you change your mind, which is okay, totally okay. But if you do it right immediately, 10 days a day after your entry, that kind of a little bit suspicious, don't you think,
Right.
Ryan?
Right, absolutely. And this is all what we tell students as well. Don't, you know, if your intention is to visit, you have to visit for a while for you to change your mind. You can't just get to the US and then second day you wanted to change status. They might question why you get the B visa or the other visa in the first place. So yeah, I think that answers most of us's questions in terms of timelines when it comes to changing status from B to F1. Let's go to the second questions. So if the person from the B1, B2 background starts attending to school without changing the status, what will be the consequences?
The key rule here is what visa you use to enter, that's your status in the States. Again, for B visa, you're here for leisure, for business. You're not here to study for school. That's F1. Okay. So if you enter the States on a B2 visa and later on wants to attend school, you want to make sure you do a change of status application and gets approved before you actually pursue your degree or your study. Otherwise, you will be found for violating your B2 status, which is going to have a serious immigration consequences.